Yo, Dog Father album launching. Sanji follow. Qcity kono. Akana fumo kuma dukari ngal dania. Like mbili nyanta tala what way is a must go event. Yeah, you know that boy have been working so hard for so long. You know, the first event Minkelas at such a big venue, you know, so he deserves all the support that he can get, you know. So I'll being a willing ngata event when you don't make song support, you know, because that is one way Puru motivate Puru, you know, I keep coming, I keep doing what he does. Yeah. Yeah, Nunga album Wala Mwele is amazing actually because I was at the listening party. It's really crazy, you know. So never when I songs of the album Okonala anyway, by the way, most definitely. So please, you know, be finti ngata, you know. Yeah. Qcity Kono, November 2nd, Dog Father, Sanji Follow.
Somebody say how, you know. This is Sanji Follow, the album launching inside Qcity, Dog Father. This coming Saturday, November 2nd, you know. Today is Monday, so Saturday, November 2nd, inside Qcity. The advance ticket is just $300. The gate is $500. VIP is $800. Dog Father already released the album. Album when you released it already. There are 18 songs on the album, you know, and the surprise song with ST. So, all be and then I few video bundle, you understand, and then crazy nice songs. I will bond the album when you gonna so inside Qcity on this coming Saturday, and then it's the first event of the season inside Qcity because bring since before summer Sungaro before summer so farmer Qcity this is the like a season open dal Qcity dal. So I'm fitting a Dog Father support tickets advance is the cheapest advance right now $300. Qcity funded tap kay wolon tonya de Qcity fa na de bayla you understand. So November 2nd lang Qcity kono kana fo mo koma nga benji suruku